How to connect a mouse to your iPhone. Okay, so on the mouse here, I'm going to use this adapter so that I can connect to the iPhone. On your mouse, turn around, and if it comes with a dongle, pull it out, and then turn on the on button. Make sure you have enough battery. Then we connect the dongle to the phone. Now once you connect it, you can see nothing happens. So you need to go into settings. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on touch. So tap on touch and make sure it is turned on. So tap on assistive touch and turn it on. Once you turn on, then your mouse should be active, and here you can use your mouse with your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you can connect a mouse to your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.